hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome for those who are new. Let me know, y'all, about the lighting because I'm using my ring light again today. Excuse my nails. I don't even care. I'm too excited. It just came in, so I am opening it. It's from Chic Sparrow. I ordered it on Cyber Monday. It's now December 10th. I've been wanting this item for, again, it just seems like it takes a year for me to make a decision, but I have been eyeing this for about a year, and I just didn't know, like, the leather type that I wanted. But I noticed that there was a new leather that just came out. I can't remember when. I might put it on the screen. And because I like darker colors, and then I also have lighter pouches, I wanted to get a darker pouch. So anyway, that's my reasoning behind all this. Okay, let me just put this back. So I got all 3 sizes because I just knew I wanted all 3 sizes. Yeah, I already knew that. And I wanted them to match. Okay. Oh my goodness, y'all, I am so super excited. Okay. The leather name is Meteorite. Okay, so you've got 3 of the sizes, the items. Okay, so we'll start off with the small one. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. We'll start off with the small one. Oh my goodness. I hope I like it. Oh, I can feel the leather. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. Ah! Oh, by the way, I haven't seen any videos of this particular leather. Of course, it is fairly new, so we'll see. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all, I am definitely in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my. I don't know if y'all can see the variations on this. It's like marbling. Okay, I gotta get a close-up. Let me show y'all a close-up of this. Okay, if y'all, oh my goodness, look at this gorgeous piece of leather. Oh my goodness, be still my heart. Oh, wow. You know, I was kind of iffy about this leather because, again, there was no videos about this leather at all. I was searching on YouTube and no one has it. Oh my goodness, it is just the most gorgeous thing, y'all. I have to tell you that on my camera, I think it kind of looks like a grayish with hints of light gray marbling on it, and that's how it looked like on the website. But just having it is actually a more dark brown, like, you know how dark chocolate is, like when you get those Lindor's chocolate? It's like that, y'all. Oh my goodness. And the feeling of it, okay, so the Denali and the other pouches, I was concerned because I know that a lot of people were saying that the oils can get in your handbags and it can get on your clothes and things like that. That's the reason why I didn't order this pouch for the longest time until I saw this particular one. I think it might still have the oil treatment on it, but it's actually not as oily as a lot of people were saying, that they can actually feel the oils on their fingers. This, I don't feel the oils. Like, I do not feel the oils at all. Their logo, it almost looks like it's engraved or like it's cut in. It doesn't look like it's like hot stamped or anything. It's like it was actually carved in the leather. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so it has the Chic Sparrow zipper pull. Okay, and then it's not lined, which I don't mind, y'all. And the reason for that is because the ones that have been following me for a while, y'all know that I'm a big Dooney & Bourke fan. I was a fan of theirs back in the early 90s, and a lot of their bags didn't have any lining at all. They were just pure leather, no lining inside. So I really don't mind this at all. And it feels like suede. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Goodness, it looks like it's sewn so well. I am just in love, y'all. Oh, and it feels so good. I could just feel the inside of this all day long. You know what? I'm just gonna be feeling it like this all day long. Y'all know I'm crazy when it comes to leather. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's that, and I'll show y'all like what fits. Okay, so that's one. And I am very, very impressed. Now, I know that the zippers, some people were saying that it's kind of harsh, but you can get like, what did I say, wax paper, and then after putting wax paper on it, it's fine. So, I don't have a problem with that. Okay, did I tell y'all this was the extra small? This is the extra small. And then this size is the small. Right, let me back up a little bit. Oh my goodness, it feels so good, y'all. You just don't know. Well, you do know. Those who love Chic Sparrow and are diehard fans, y'all know that when Jennifer chooses her leather, oh my goodness, she has good taste in leather. I'm sorry. Like oh, this is beautiful. It's just as beautiful as this first one. Now, this one doesn't have a lot of variations or patterns in the front like this one does. You see the patterns in the front, which is so beautiful. This one doesn't. It has like one in the front and maybe just a few little stragglers on the sides, but it's still beautiful. And oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to just compare the size. Okay, so that's the small. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the extra small, and that's the small. Okay. And then I'm sure the inside's the same way. Yep. Same smooth, lovely velvety leather on the inside. Okay. Yeah, definitely gonna have to that's that. And then lastly, let me back up a little bit more. This is the medium. And I don't know if they have the large, because I've never seen it on their website. Maybe they never carried it. I don't know. Like I said, I'm new to Chic Sparrow. It's been about a year and a half now that I've been purchasing their products, and every single one I've just been really happy. Hold on, I gotta change my camera battery. Okay, as I was saying, I have not been dissatisfied with any of the products that I've gotten. Okay, so this is the medium size. Let me back up because it is kind of big. So, oh my goodness, this leather, y'all. I already said it. I know I already said it, but this leather is so yummy. It is just so yummy. It's smooth, but then you can feel like a little bit of the grains. I don't know how to explain the feeling of it. I really don't. I'm sorry. It's just, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so this is the front side. Oh, I love the striations on there. Or I'm sure that's a design, but it is just gorgeous. Like I said, it looks like marbling. Oh my goodness. Oh, so it does mark up. Okay, you see my fingernail right there? It marks up. But then I'm sure, yeah, you can smooth it out. Okay, yeah. There you go. It goes away afterwards. Okay. So the insides, okay, same thing. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, what's that? That right there kind of looks like a spot on the camera, but when I look at it, like to the naked eye, it actually doesn't look like a spot. So, maybe it is. I don't know. That's interesting. Okay, so anyway, now this one shows up a little bit better, their logo. So I do believe, let me see if I can get closer. I do believe they do actually cut into the leather. That is just gorgeous. Y'all see this? Oh, okay, let me show you that mark. It doesn't bother me. Y'all, I wouldn't say that I'm a like perfectionist or anything like that. By all means, I'm not. As you can see, my nails. Oh my goodness, look at that. Anyway, these kind of things used to bother me. I was actually officially by a doctor diagnosed with minimal OCD. It's not like major. I could still like get out of my house and stuff. But I've actually learned, and of course with the grace of God, He has taught me a lot. But I have learned to be okay with imperfections. Oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let me back up so that y'all can see. Wow. Just gorgeous, y'all. And the depth of these, I think someone said they're all the same. Let me see. I'll put the measurements of them, or you can also look at it on their website as well. Oh, I never noticed that. Okay, actually, they have a CS on the other side too. You see that? Okay. Anyway, so let me just put all these. Let me move this. Oh, actually, let me close this one too so that they're all closed. Okay. I like how they're wide on the bottom. So let me just say, all the Dooney gals out there that have the pouches from Dooney & Bourke, a lot of them now are being made really thin. And the reason why I wanted these pouches is because they have depth. Because y'all know I like to pack. I think I'm like a broken record when I say that. I like to pack a lot of stuff in my handbags. Okay, so those are the 3. Thank you so much for all the recent subs. I also want to thank the ones that have been with me for quite some time, sticking it out. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.